cash box. We found a cash box. It says cash box. There's something in it. It's not?
Look like that.
I think it used to be a pinhole bench. What do you got there? Is that
I do not know.
Oh, snap. Here. Just press on it. Uh-oh.
Somebody been chewing on that one. Bite the bullet, buddy.
Yeah. Was that an AR-15 bullet, maybe?
More like a 30-06.
30-06. What's going on, guys? Jason Thrift Trader coming back to you with another video. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click the bell so that you get notifications. If you're returning, thank you so much for being here. Today, Pawpaw decided to stop by and help us out with an unboxing video. You want to say hi, Pawpaw?
Hi.
Hi. All right, so this is what we've got going on. I've almost got the box truck entirely empty. As I was going through things, there were a few boxes that I put back so that we could have an unboxing video. It's just stuff that looked interesting, okay, guys? But what we've got here, we've got, this is some things I gotta look up on eBay to see kind of its worth and value. So I've got it set off to the side here. This is some costume jewelry and some cell phones, things of that sort. So some of this will be lotted up on eBay, and some of it will go to the yard sale, things of that sort. I thought this was really interesting. I don't know if you could see them, but they're little miniature die-cast army tanks. A whole bunch of them. Army tanks, and fighter planes. Pretty neat little doodads. They're I guess they're lead, or at least like a lead alloy, but there's a whole canister of those things. That's a little helicopter. Who knows, those might be worth something. All of this is trash. All of this is trash. They came and picked up my dumpster yesterday morning, and it's already plumb full, and then I've got all this residual hanging out here. All of this right here is yard sale stuff, guys, and inside my shop, I have a pile about this size as well already from this box truck right inside my shop. So this weekend I'm having a yard sale, but here, let me just show you guys what we're about to go through here. We have a military bag, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, this big wooden box here, and that black bag there we're gonna go through, and then this tote here, we're gonna go through it. And there's a Corona Cerveza ice chest there that we're going to take a look at. So that's what we're about to do. Oh, and this box right here. We're about to go through this stuff and see what we might be able to find. What do you say, Pops? Sound like fun?
Sounds like a job.
Sounds like a job. All right, guys. Without further ado, we're going to get to it. All right, guys. First box. That's interesting. I'm certain that all this stuff's breakable. Get in there, Pawpaw. There's a glass bell.
Look at each ashtrays.
Nice little ashtray. Oh, 2 of them.
Those are
Kind of iridescent.
iridescent stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
They're pretty neat.
Just a bottle. I bet Pawpaw's got one exactly like it.
Probably do. Yep.
Yep. We give you thanks for all your gifts. UNESCO, Japan. That's kind of old. Anything made in Japan's got some age to it. This is going to be interesting. What do we got here? What's that?
Looks like a candle holder, maybe.
Oh, it's a little candle holder. Here's another glass bell, but there's no ringer to it. Guess they're just ornamental. Oh, here's a little candy tray or something. What do you got there?
I don't know.
Here, let's show the camera here. That's interesting. Just some
Sort of collectible.
shells, seashells in there. Oh, that's iridescent too.
Yeah, of different colors.
Yeah. That's interesting. Wonder how they get that iridescence in there. It's got a pink hue to it.
It's got oil in it.
Is that what it is?
I don't know. That's what happened to my swimming pool, though, and somebody shot oil in it. It turned iridescent.
Yeah. It's an old bell, isn't it?
Caught the guy that done it. His turned iridescent too.
Look at that. That's weird. I wonder if that's crystal. It's got a chip in the side there.
Yeah, hard to say. I'm not that familiar with glass.
Me neither. That's interesting. See that big old crack there? That's trash. That's interesting. I guess it's just a little candle holder. So far, all this is just yard sale. Nothing extravagant. That looks almost like a salsa dish.
It's anchor hockey.
Anchor hocking?
Yeah.
It's not bad. Look at that great big marble ball. What in the world? What do you do with this?
You don't throw it at nobody.
Here, I'm going to set it beside the anchor hocking. Just like that.
They have another anchor hockey coming up right here. Colorful.
Oh, that's cobalt blue.
Cobalt.
Any marks?
See a mark.
There's crack there. But who knows?
Wait, that thing.
Dang.
Heavy.
Yeah. You use this for home protection.
I have no idea. Is it an ashtray?
I don't know. That's interesting.
It was just a little
Candle holder, probably.
deal to, yeah, either that or put your pins and needles in it or something.
Yeah. That's it for that box. All right.
That's not a bench.
It's not?
It looked like that.
I think it used to be a pin on bench. All right. What do we have in there? Yard sale. Yard sale. Cash for gold. Is the cash in here? Oh, no. Dang. No wonder I hadn't found any gold. What is that? Give us this day our daily bread. Wilton, Columbia, USA. And it's pewter. Nice. What do you got there? Is that
I do not know.
Oh, snap. Here. Just press on it. Uh-oh.
What is that? Carry gauge.
Ooh, nasty.
Carry gauge.
Is that what that is?
That's exactly what it is.
I wouldn't. You couldn't. No. Trash.
Somebody been chewing on that one. Bite the bullet, buddy.
Yeah. Was that AR-15 bullet, maybe?
It's more like a 30-06 to me.
30-06.
I'm gonna see what's in the coffin here.
Oh, that's a coffin. That's funny. Spray lube. Trash, trash. This all looks to be junk, guys. Except, I don't know what this is. Yeah, that's trash. Oh, sure enough. Here you go. Is that a receipt?
Yeah.
Cards, that'll go yard sale. Skin so soft. Bath oil.
What is that? Raptor. Any idea?
MP3 FM modulator. Ah, trash. What in the world? Oh, look at those.
That looks like the. That looks like that fit my teeth.
Yeah. Yeah, it would. That's trash. That's tweaker crap. That's pretty neat. We got personal stuff here. Try not to show any personal stuff, Pops, if you can manage. Uh-oh. This says Deputy Sheriff. Let's see what this says here. It's a forcible entry and detainer. Ouch. I got evicted. Has that got any decent markings on it?
Other than I can tell. 1987.
It's not all that old, is it? Just a green vase.
Walkie-talkie instructions.
Trash, trash, trash. You hear Scooby-Doo?
No $20 bills in there or nothing.
That looks like junk.
Chuck. These things are always handy to have around.
I'm not going to toss this on the ground just because of all the screws. Don't want any of those in my tires. What's in there? What in the world? You never know.
A light bulb and one of these and a bunch of another light bulb and scissors and just junk.
That's junk. Oh, here's a DS game. Super Speed Machines. Nintendo DS. That might actually be worth something on eBay.
There's some glue that's never been opened.
That's just trash.
So you looking through this?
I glanced through it. Trash. That's trash too. Alright. Off to the next.
You need to save some of them things. You never know when you're going to use them.
Well,
I don't know
that's a
what that
nightlight.
is. Yeah.
That's a nightlight thing. Alright.
There's another one.
Cool. What's up with this thing?
Somebody made it.
Okay. That's gonna just be trash. Alright. Next. Take a pic. Get in there, Pops. Let's set it right down here and see what's in it. What? Alright. That's what you call tweaker crap.
That doesn't take a sound.
Well, it's missing the...
Oh.
That's what you call tweaker crap.
Staples.
No.
Somebody will buy them, but
No.
You don't think so?
No.
You ever go to the store and try to buy some of them suckers?
Look at this, guys. That's worth it. Camel lights. This might be worth eBaying. If not, we'll shoot. I'll just sell it to yard sale. Joe Camel. Stuff's not made anymore. What is that?
I wrote camera thing.
It's a printer. This is a HP photo printer. Prints photos. What do you got there? That's trash. What is that? Cash box. We found a cash box. It says cash box. There's something in it. Oh crap. Oh. There's a game, a Pokemon game, silver. Boy, that thing's seen better days. That might be worth some money. I'll sell that at a yard sale. Knife. Cash box is gonna be trash. It's missing levers and stuff. What do you got there, Papa?
I have no idea.
Looks like a soldering. It's a soldering iron. Pieces to a soldering iron. That's interesting. Okay. That's for sure trash. That's trash. Be careful. Oh my God.
Is it good?
No. Batteries. Cell phone batteries. Man, good night. This is a tweaker. Who keeps this? Is there anything in that?
What the heck is that? A weight?
It's a wrist. It's a wrist.
Wrist weight of some sort.
Who keeps this crap?
What?
Who keeps this crap?
I have no idea.
Alright, here's a phone. I'm going to lot a bunch of these up, like a lot of 100 of these phones on eBay and see what I can't manage to get. Don't show any personal information.
Okay.
But that's trash, that's trash. Trash. Trash, trash. Trash, trash. Trash. That's trash. Trash. Oh my God. Phone batteries. We got a couple phones. Look at all them batteries. Good night. Why? Why? This is all trash. I guess I'll try to yard sell this. Maybe somebody will buy it for $1. Who knows?
That's the good box.
All right, Papa seems to think this is the good box. What is that? Metro Air Force? Man.
What's it for? Peak horsepower? 4?
4.0 peak horsepower. Oh, this is a big it just
mattress blower upper or something.
Mattress blower upper. This might actually be worth something.
Yep. That might be worth something too.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a plastic doll. Her eyes open and close. She looks kind of like Pocahontas. Here, put it right over here so that they can see it. See? Her eyes open and shut. She looks pretty darn old, to be honest. She's made of plastic, dressed as Pocahontas or native.
There might be a marking on her somewhere. Usually it's behind the neck on larger dolls.
I don't see her.
If it is here or not.
I don't see it. That's really interesting. This might be something to look into here. That says bills. This is...
Well, I'm going to look through these bills and all the 20s that's in here I'm going to keep.
Trash. Trash. There's that. There's a sewing kit. Let me get this tweaker crap out of here. Bunch of buttons, guys. All this will be good yard sellable stuff. Somebody will come through. You know, if you... I'll promote my yard sale with the type of stuff that I have, and I'll just put that I've got a lot of crafting and sewing stuff. So, a lot of people will show up for that. I'm pretty sure...
It's an old amplifier or a radio or something.
Yeah, that's trash.
These duties?
What are they?
I don't know. I'll fix to pull one out, take a look, see.
Hey. I can already tell you what they are. Oh.
Ooh.
Hey. What do you got there, Pops?
Little nudie pack.
Oh, yeah.
I will save them.
Yeah, we found that. We found the nudies.
The stash.
Yeah. It's definitely...
Oh, wow.
Definitely.
Here, show this one.
Oh. I can't. All right, next box. It says desk side bed. Oh boy, oh Bertha. Ultima 5. I have no idea what this is.
Everybody needs one of them.
See, why? Why would they do this? What's the purpose? Is it just cord? Trash. I don't know what this is. Federal law restricts this device to sale by or on the order of a physician. Pain management technologies. Okay, so this is probably a pain pump is what this is. Can't sell it. This is an old tin.
Got some good looking old pins in here. You can look through them.
Okay. Look at this old tin.
I doubt if you find anything.
Oh, this is a remake. Bristol Ware by Nabisco. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Biscuits.
National Biscuit Company. No, that's not a remake.
It's not?
I wouldn't think.
Well,
Made in China. It is.
it is a remake.
Probably.
What's in it? Oh boy. What is this? Star? It's a note. And some micro SD adapters. Trash. What you got?
I don't know. Let's see.
Oh, that's Harley. Open that up. That's interesting.
Harley Davidson scarf.
That's cool. That might go eBay. Nice. Is that another one?
I figured it out yet. It's a scarf, but I don't.
This way.
I just for Miss Harley.
It doesn't have a... Does it have a name anywhere on it? Oh, right here. Made in the USA, whatever. It is. Crafted with pride in the USA. That's interesting. I'll probably put that in with the Harley scarf.
Cool.
That's an old bottle. That's seen better days. What'd you do?
Spelled what that used to be. You want
That's
to keep
funny.
the bottle and just sell it? These things sell?
Yeah, if they're older bottles, we'll just set them over here. What in the world is... See this?
Dominoes.
What's the purpose of this? There's batteries. Only time I've ever seen anybody do that's with a homemade tattoo gun.
2 sets of dominoes for a little bitty one.
Okay.
carry them with you when you go somewhere.
Here's a little bitty wrench. This is a Mac. Mac tools are worth money, aren't they?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Mac
this
tools.
is a
Mac
little.
tools are old tools.
Okay. Yeah, this is just a little Mac driver here. This might actually. It feels like it's slipping. I'll have to look that up. What do you got there? A propeller?
It's a little electric propeller.
That's trash. A bunch of tweaker crap.
Here's your lid for that.
The rest of that's just junk, guys. I'm gonna keep the tin though.
Cable ashtray.
That's not junk. Has it been used? A little bit. Uh-oh. What you got there? Oh, that's a Pioneer head unit, but it's just the head. Since we don't have the rest of it, this
What is it?
I'll
Head for what?
it's to a stereo receiver in your car. I'll look this up on eBay, see if there's a market for it.
Must have it maybe down in here somewhere.
Potentially. What is this?
Repair kit.
Huh? What is that?
Well, it says puncture repair kit, but I have no idea what it is.
Don't
Well,
know.
it is. It's what it is.
That's probably trash, to be honest. Got our trash box.
Yeah. Now these are those little bitty, you know, those little special types of screws that you find every once in a while that you don't have a screwdriver for.
Yeah.
That's what those are for.
Oh, okay, yeah. Look at all this crap. Some of that's not trash. Pull that frog out. What's that? Ooh, hey.
Autos
Are these balls what I think they might be? Are those little cannon balls?
steel balls of some sort, or they might be out of bearings, ball bearings of some sort.
So they're probably not cannonballs.
I doubt it. Muskets. I have no idea what that is. Inches.
Most of this is junk. Junk. I bet this is going to be more of the same here. Oh. Now this could be worth something to somebody. Just a bunch of... That's a Canon camera. Well, I'm not seeing the Rolex I was in search for. What is this? Oh, see, it's all torn up.
Yeah, it
That's
won't shut.
Yeah, that's trash. That's too bad.
Here you have it.
Oh. Nope. See this, guys? This is what I don't like to see. Well, whoever had this got the rabies vaccination, it looked like. So we know that they weren't on rabies. Trash. That's trash. Trash. What's that?
Trash, I would imagine.
Oh, it's just a little... No, it's made to look like a little jukebox or something. We'll hold on to that. What's this about?
I have no clue.
Trash. Trash. Good night. See? Look. Trash. They just tore up everything they got their hands on. Now this Sony Walkman, if it had the
Well, you probably threw it right in there. All that wire.
trash.
Cole hat, are they any good?
Cole Haan, yeah, they can be. Those are penny loafers. Look at look.
You got a penny got a penny in it, man.
They're called penny loafers, and they literally put a penny in there. That's hilarious. Now they're real penny loafers. Oh my god.
They're pretty warm.
Yeah.
Good looking shoes, but
Well, these aren't really in style these days, but I'll hold on to them, see if anybody wants to give me $1 for them.
toe warmers.
Toe warmers. Hey, now this could be some money. Fluke Networks. Fluke is always a really good brand. See here, guys, TS52 Pro, and it looks to be all there. This right here could be some money. That's good news. So we'll have to look this up.
Hard sale. These are strong. These are good ones.
Zyrtec.
Another camel.
Another camel.
I've been trying an hour to get this out of here. Jack Daniels. It's just plumb full of something.
That's just personal paperwork. What do you got there,
I
Pops?
don't know. I'm afraid to pull it out, afraid it's liable to get me.
There's something in this. Oh, that's nice. Just what we need.
It's a gear shifter.
Well, it's missing.
Something.
It's missing something. It's nice and heavy, though. Trash. Look at that, though. Somebody might want that. Cowboys. Is that gold? Pure gold. Pure gold chain. I don't know if anybody would want that or not. It's all there. Just ready to mount. That's trash. That might not be trash. I can't believe it's not torn up. Kodak Easy Share DX7630.
Jack Daniels box.
We'll try to sell it. Why not? But I'll probably run this through the yard sale, see if anybody's interested in it. Maybe, maybe not. This looks like it's personal paperwork.